Now before starting the video, I would like to give a huge shout out to Key Cadillac, located in Edina, Minnesota, for fixing our wireless charger in our personal Cadillac and for allowing me to film this 2021 Cadillac XT5.
Hey everyone, how's it going? Well, today I present you the refreshed 2021 Cadillac XT5 all-wheel drive.
The next episode of Luca's Car Reviews is in session. Hopefully you guys enjoy.
Now, as expected, all Cadillac XT5s do come with smart key access systems, and as you can see, the door is currently unlocked. Now to lock, all you gotta do is hit this chrome wrapped button on the door handle, and the door locks. Now to unlock it, hit that chrome wrapped button again, and the door unlocks. Now this particular XT5 does come with Cadillac's satin steel exterior, as well as GM's jet black leatherette interior. Now, as expected, along with that smart key access system, this XT5 does have push button start, which comes standard. All you gotta do to start is put your foot on the brake, and then hit the black button to go. Beautiful sound from a 3.6 liter V6. Now this XT5 does come with a 4-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel with your phone controls and cruise control. Alright, let's go ahead and cut on the headlights, as well as the hazards. Now both front windows are fully automatic, but the rear windows are only automatic going down. Now let's go ahead and get a closer look at the XT5. You do have bi-xenon projector beam headlights, as well as LED daytime running lights, as well as turn signal indicators. Now the XT5 originally came out in 2017, replacing Cadillac's iconic SRX, which ran from 2004 all the way to 2016. The XT5 is still running strong in 2021. Now for those who are curious what the refresh was for 2021, this year's refresh with redesigned headlights as well as taillights, a redesigned gauge cluster, and lots of mechanical/technological upgrades. Now coming to the rear of the XT5, you do have full LED tail lights for the lights, the turn signals, as well as the reverse light. Now let's go ahead and pop the hood for this monstrous engine. As I mentioned multiple times earlier in the video, this XT5 comes with GM's 3.6 liter V6, which produces 310 horsepower as well as 271 pound-feet of torque, powered by a 10-speed automatic transmission. The V6 comes standard on the Sport trim and is an option for the Premium Luxury trim. Otherwise, your other engine option is, of course, the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Now, for those who are curious, for the XT5, I actually prefer the V6, as it's more powerful and more sporty. Sure, the 4-cylinder does get better gas mileage, but personally, I just like the V6 better for its power as well as its speed. Alright, let's hop back into the XT5 and get a closer look at the interior. This XT5 does come with the panoramic sunroof as well as moonroof, which is really nice for me. Though it might not be a convertible sized roof, it's still a really, really big roof. Okay, coming to the stereo system of the XT5, it's actually quite badass. It has the Bose stereo system, it packs a bunch, and it's the perfect stereo system for me, as I love to rock out while cruising down the highway. Alright, let's go ahead and shut down the XT5 and check out the rest of the vehicle. Now, when it comes to legroom as well as headroom, it's actually quite good. I'm around 5'4", and I have quite a few inches of legroom as well as headroom. It's a nice ride, as I've ridden in one multiple times, and it's quite comfortable at the same time. Now, because this is a mid-size SUV, it does come standard with a fully electric tailgate. All you gotta do is hit the trunk button twice, and it opens and closes automatically. Hey guys, this one part is not going to be a voiceover because I want to give a shout out to the two people who guessed the correct loaner car. This is our loaner car for today. We're bringing it back tonight, but shout out to CarBuff81 and Mercedes G-Class. They guessed the correct loaner. So yeah, I was actually expecting to get a. At first, I thought we were going to get a CT5,
But then I was like, you know what, I think we're going to get an XT5, and yep, I guessed right. So my opinion on this, I like it a lot better than the Nautilus. I'm going to be totally honest. I think it has slightly better tech than a Nautilus. But however, I've not sat in a 21 Nautilus yet, and I know that they did a slight refresh on it, so I'll have to go sit in one and maybe I'll review one. But unfortunately, because of the new strain of coronavirus, I'm not going to be able to really go to dealerships for a little while. I'm guessing probably around a month or so. But hopefully, I think the latest I'll be back is by when school is out for summer. And my last day is June 11th, so maybe I'll film something that day. But obviously, I will do updates on on our personal vehicles, like my mom's Cadillac ATS, which is in the shop right now. That's why we have this. My dad's 2014 Navigator, which is starting to age. And for sure, my grandfather's Beetle. I need an update video on that. And possibly my uncle's 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLA. All right, you guys, thank you all so much for tuning in to the review of the 2021 Cadillac XT5. Be sure to stay tuned for more reviews coming out hopefully soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.